What's going on, guys? If you're just now watching this, you have 2 weeks to get entered to win the second giveaway on my YouTube channel, POWERSTROKE Pat. If you're interested, please go down below, hit the like button, subscribe button, and also turn the notification bell. To get entered to win, you have to go down below, click the link, and it will take you to all of the instructions of getting entered to win. This giveaway will be a computer generated selection, so there's no funny business, no pulling out a hat or anything, so everything is fair and equal. So go down below, find that link, get entered to win. I will be giving away 3 prizes this time instead of 1, so there will be 3 winners. Winners will have the choice of choosing 1 50 cal bullet antenna or $20 cash, spike, chrome or black lug nuts or $40 cash, as well as an 8 count RGB rock light or one single color 8 count rock lights or $60 cash. So if you guys are interested in winning any of these prizes, go down below, hit that link, follow all the instructions. You have to follow every instruction to get fully entered to win. This giveaway is completely free, guys, so I definitely suggest going down below, finding out how to get entered and entering. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take, so what can you lose? Go down below, find out how to enter and get entered today. I wish you the best of luck to everyone that enters.